Succinct has launched private proving on their prover network, combining their zkVM with trusted execution environments so apps can generate proofs without exposing sensitive inputs. As before, developers write applications in Rust, which are proven by the SP1 zkVM. This time, they're running in TEEs. This ensures that neither the prover nor the verifier can see an application's input data. I think it's really exciting to see privacy become much more accessible for developers and applications like private DEXs and payments becoming more feasible as a result. The Intercontinental Exchange, or ICE, the parent company behind the New York Stock Exchange, which is the largest stock exchange in the world, announced that they will be investing up to $2 billion into Polymarket at around an $8 billion valuation. They plan to become the global distributor of Polymarket's event-driven data and also plan to collaborate on tokenization. This is not only the largest private investment into a crypto company ever, but also some serious validation of the value that prediction markets hold, as well as a great example of what decentralization and verifiability enable. Lido, the biggest liquid staking protocol on Ethereum, has launched V2 of their community staking module. This allows validators to permissionlessly participate in Lido and expands the community staking module's share of Lido stake from 3 to 5%, with a path to 10%. V2 also adds the Identified Community Staker Framework, which gives better staking terms to individuals who verify themselves by proving their experience, engagement, and humanity. Given the large share of staked ETH controlled by Lido, this is a great step towards improving Ethereum's decentralization. Lido has launched its public mainnet after 8 months in private beta. Lido is a perps-focused L2 with custom ZK circuits for verifiable matching and liquidations, and it lets users trade perps on-chain at low cost and low latency. This is another example of a specialized L2 tuned for a specific use case, and of course, an example of how Ethereum offers the trust and liquidity needed to build something like this. Wrapping things up with some zkVM news, the ZisK team has made their zkVM post-quantum secure by removing elliptic curve dependencies. They go into a lot of detail in their blog post explaining exactly how they did this. But the important thing for non-cryptographers to understand is that elliptic curve cryptography is widely believed to be breakable by sufficiently large quantum computers. Making Ethereum itself post-quantum secure is a really important aspect of its roadmap, and ZisK is ahead of the curve, so to speak, by making their zkVM post-quantum secure and ready for this future need. And that's your ZK and Ethereum news. I'm Boris from Lind, and I'll see you next week.